Okay, today is what? Okay, today is January 19, year 2025. It's early morning. It's only 7:40. Okay, first time to visit Tumana at early morning. And look, I'll give you a 360 view. I'm just bring my two helicopter, the MD500 and the Compass there. Just bring two helicopter and a transmitter. Okay. We have a tent here. Aba, kompletong almusal. Oh. Early morning. Maganda sa early morning. Pwede mo isodo. Yan, good for small plane kasi walang hangin early morning. Ano, park flyer?
Yes.
Kung nga kausapin niya, madidisorient yan.
Tiga. Early morning flyer. Look at this all early morning flyer.
So, kaway.
Maaga ka ngayon kasi alis ako maaga din May lakad ako
May required talaga sa iyo kailan maaga ka.
Hindi, maganda maaga. Konting tao, solo mo yung field, walang hangin. Di ba?
Mas solo mo kung bukas ka pumunta. Monday.
Sa UP, maliit dito. Wow, ang laki.
Maalwalas.
Oo, di ba?
Nag-i-invert ka na. Baka hindi mo alam, saan naglulog lang.
Okay guys, that's about it. Yan present ako at least present. Ito, hindi ka pala dito. Hanggang gabi ka.
Hindi ako, oo. Inihintay kita, binabantayan kita kung pupunta ka. Kaya, gising na ako.
Okay guys, that's about it. Thank you.